Welcome back to the Natural Health and Life channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of the latest videos. Protecting your sexual and reproductive health. A healthy reproductive system makes the miracle of life possible. Taking good care of your reproductive health is essential, as problems in this region can affect your physical, emotional and sexual well-being, as well as make it difficult for you to become pregnant. Fortunately, such problems can be prevented or corrected by following these 7 tips. Number 1. Visit your gynecologist regularly. If you notice anything out of the ordinary or notice an infection, see your gynecologist right away for treatment. You want to resolve the issue as soon as possible before additional issues arise. Number 2. Protect yourself from STDs and an unplanned pregnancy. There are several ways in keeping yourself protected from sexually transmitted diseases and unwanted pregnancy. Many sexually transmitted diseases don't have a cure, so it is best to avoid that trouble altogether. Number 3. Get to know your body. Knowing your own reproductive anatomy is the single most important thing to know about your reproductive health. You must have a basic knowledge of your reproductive organs, both external and internal. What organs are meant for which purpose, how to take care of them, and what can damage them are essential knowledge. Number 4. Get tested. Schedule for checkups and screening tests like pap smear, ultrasound and blood tests. This way, problems can be detected early. Number 5. Track your period. Getting to know your cycle is a great way to understand how your body is related to your mood, skin condition, productivity, or even creativity levels. Charting your menstrual cycle, for example, can determine your fertility window and help you avoid or enable pregnancy. Number 6. Be honest with your partner. Communication is the key to a healthy relationship. Choose partners who you feel good around and who treat you well. Your partner should respect your feelings and the decisions you make about your body. Number 7. Take the right medication and vaccines. Each body is different. One brand of pills might not work for you, so you might have to try a few different ones to find the right match. Whatever your condition or treatment, don't try any new medication without consulting your gynecologist. And get vaccinated. Protect yourself from HPV-causing cancer by getting anti-cervical cancer shots. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Click on our sexual health playlist for more topics. Thanks for watching and see you on our next video.